Yes, Keno tip of the day. Every Keno player needs a lucky 10 spot in their back pocket. Claim your free 10 spot Keno numbers now. Also, smash that subscribe button for more Keno tips and strategies. Let's quickly get into our first lucky AI Keno 10 spot. Okay, max bid at 10, coin is 5. Cool, 4 out of 10. This 10 spot is a mix of AI Keno suggestions and my lucky Keno numbers. Cool, another 4 out of 10. 6 plays to go. Yes. Okay, 5 out of 10. Let's get a bunch more of that. Last play coming up. 100 credits for the bonus. Okay, 110 credits for the bonus round. Not a bad start, but we can do better. One more tip of the day. Let's change up the Keno numbers and drive the Keno machine algorithm crazy. So, let's move on to bonus round number 2. Yes, this next AI Keno 10 spot is a winner. Also, the casinos don't want you to know this, but AI tracks how often Keno numbers are drawn. Okay, subscribe for more AI Keno tips and strategies. Yes, let's look at our next 10 spot in bonus round number 2. Okay, max bid is at 10, point is 5. Be sure and write these Keno numbers down. Cool. Yeah, 6 out of 10, that's a good start. Very cool, another 6 out of 10. Subscribe to claim more free strategies and AI Keno numbers. All right, last play coming up. Yes, 200 credits for the bonus. Cool. Yes, 210 credits is our total. Take these free Keno numbers for your next Keno game. Okay, let's go on to our third bonus round. Okay, you're at the casino and you're thinking, my Keno machine has gone cold. So, play this last 10 spot and change the Keno machine algorithm. It works every time. Subscribe for more free AI Keno tips and strategies. Let's see how we do with this last 10 spot. Yes, bet at 5, coin is 5. Cool, 4 out of 10. Another one. Okay, one more, 4 out of 10. We can do better. Yes, a 7 out of 10. Write these Keno numbers down now. Last play coming up. Cool. A total of 385 credits for the bonus round. This type of 10 spot drives the Keno machine algorithm crazy. Okay, want to win at Keno? Subscribe for more free winning AI Keno numbers. Beginners, AI Keno strategies, advice, hacks, and free AI Keno numbers in these 2 videos. You need to watch another video. And thanks for watching this video. See you next week.